Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to chemistry classes. Today's questions are the metal having highest ionization potential is, and the second question is the decreasing order of electron affinity is. First of all, we will discuss this. The metal having highest ionization potential energy. What is ionization energy? Ionization potential or ionization energy. This is also called as IE or IP, whatever it may be. The energy required to remove an electron. Okay, this is ionization energy. What is the question? The metal having highest ionization potential is lithium, sodium, potassium and cesium. All these are metals. Whenever we are going in a group from top to bottom, the metallic nature is increases because the electron giving capacity is also increases here. The ionization potential is nothing but the energy required to remove an electron. What happens? Actually, the highest having is the lithium because sodium, potassium and cesium. Because the lithium has the lowest atomic number. Because of lowest atomic number, the shells are for lithium 1s2, 2s1. Because the atomic number is 3, 2s1, 2s. The number of orbitals present in lithium are 2. In s orbital there are 2 electrons and 2s orbital there is only 1 electron. Energy required to remove an electron from this, because this is second orbital which is nearer to nucleus. So the energy required for removing this electron is more in lithium. Whereas in sodium, what happens in sodium? The electronic configuration for sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is here we are observing another shell, that is 1s, 2s, 2p, this is 3s. It is somewhat far from the nucleus. So the attraction on the outermost electrons in the far orbitals, that is 3s here, is very less. The attraction between this electron and this nucleus is less comparatively lithium. So the ionization energy is less compared to lithium. So we can write like this and this potassium. Whereas in potassium, another shell is coming, that is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p and 3d, and next one is 4s. The attraction between these two electron and the nucleus is very less. So the ionization energy is also less. And next cesium for 5s. Okay. What is the reason here? The ionization energy in the groups from top to bottom is decreases. In the groups, ionization energy is decreases because of the increasing the length or distance between the nucleus and the outermost electrons. That is, the atomic radii also increases. Due to atomic radius increases, the attraction between the outermost electron and the nucleus is less. So we can easily remove the electron in the outermost shells comparatively lithium, because it is very nearer to the outermost electron, which is in 2s1, is nearer to nucleus. So the metal having highest ionization potential in these options is lithium. We can easily write like this: lithium is greater than sodium and ionization potential is greater than potassium and cesium. Okay, and we will go to the next question. The decreasing order of electron affinities. What is electron affinity? Electron affinity is nothing but the attraction of electrons. Whenever they attracting electron or taking an electron, they release some energy. Okay, here electron affinity means attracting the electrons. We already know about these halogen groups, which are nearer to the, which are very nearer to the, what is the question here? I am telling one more time. The decreasing order of the electron affinities. These are belongs to the halogen group, that is 7th A group, which are nearer to the 0 group. Fluorine is 9 and next neon. It is always want and one electron to get the neon's configuration, because neon's configuration, all these are the stable electronic configurations. Those are called inert gases. All the elements are want to get stability to get the 0 group elements configuration, electronic configuration. So in this we know already chlorine, bromine, iodine, all these are want one electron to get the inert gas elements electronic configuration. So all these want electrons, that is called electron affinity. How they will change? Generally the electron affinity, we think that fluorine is having high electron affinity. In this little change is there. Chlorine having the highest electron affinity comparatively fluorine, and then bromine, and then iodine. Because of the smallest size of the fluorine, what is the atomic number for fluorine? 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5 only. Total 9 electrons. Because there are only 2 subshells, that is 2 shells, 2s and 2p. The attraction, the size is very small comparatively. Chlorine 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 5. In this another shell is there for chlorine. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. Another shell is adding in the chlorine. This is fluorine. For bromine 4s2 and 4p, 5. For iodine 5s2 and 5p, 5. The outermost is like this. So because of the very less size of this fluorine, whatever the electron enters into this is, there is a repulsion between these electrons because of the small size. So the electron affinity for chlorine is higher than the fluorine, and then bromine, and then iodine. Where is this option? D. Option D is correct, because the iodine have the least electron affinity. Why? Because it is having very far from the nucleus. Whenever it is very far, the attraction of the electrons from nucleus is little bit less when compared to the, whenever the atomic radii is increases. Whenever the atomic radii increases, what happens? The electron which is entering into the outermost shell is not completely attracted by this nucleus because of the distance. That's why the decreasing order of electron affinity is like this. In every group, electron, whenever we are comparing from top to bottom, electron affinity is decreases because of the size, increasing the size. But in this some variation, chlorine having the highest, fluorine having the little bit, comparatively chlorine less because of the small size. Okay, this is for today 2 questions. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you for watching my channel.